Oh, wow! Amazing! Oops, sorry. Gonna take you to Rio, Rio. Fly in the ocean like an eagle, eagle. And we can chill like a seagull. Oh, na na na. Let me take you to Rio, Rio. Fly on the ocean like an eagle, eagle. And we can chill like a seagull. Oh, na na na. Don't my home, I'm just so true. So you get my show, I'm really subjective. So you get that away, but I don't need to reach you. Go down, come on, don't leave my baby. Let me take you to Rio, Rio. Fly in the ocean like an eagle, eagle. And we can chill like a seagull. Oh, na na na. Hola todos! Oh, hello everyone. Of course, follow me to learn in Portuguese. My name is Lucas.
And I'm Anna, and we are
Ornithologists.
In other words, we specialize in the study of birds.
However, today we're not here to study birds. Today we are here to hold auditions for the upcoming Samba Festival.
Oh, how very exciting! So, how many of you here love to dance? Oh, now, make some noise if you love to samba!
Alright! Well, that's great, everyone. Now, to help us out, we would like to introduce two of our very special samba friends.
Oh, you're going to love them. They are blue in color, exotically fierce, and they are
In love!
So, you know who they are?
Oh, that's right! It's Blue and Tulip! Now we want you all to clap your hands twice and shout, Blue and Tulip! Are you all ready? On the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Blue and Tulip! Blue and Tulip! Blue and Tulip! Blue and Tulip! Go! Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get excited, shake your tail feathers, and make some noise for Blue and Tulip!
Friends, you see Mom Jewel?
I do. Hello, everyone.
we can't hear it too.
Whoa!
Can't imagine dancing without you. A shooting star ain't really nothing to see.
If you're not by, you're dancing next to me. Oh, listen to me, darling. I wake up every morning thinking about the way you feel. Oh, I wonder if you know me. I wonder is a party if you're not around. Listen to me now. What good is love if it's not your love? What good is love if it's not your love?
Yeah!
Oh wow, that was incredible, you guys. They loved it. Come on, everybody, let them hear you.
Oh man, that definitely felt right. We threw down.
You were like fire and ice.
Thunder and lightning, hip and hop, cheese and sprinkles.
What?
It's an American thing.
Oh.
All right.
Come on, my handsome lovebird. Practice makes perfect. Bye, Jewel. Bye, Blue. See you in the
Bye. Nico, Pedro, where have you boys been? We're both late.
Gladly, from musician Earth, we are in the park. To samba, so they say.
Don't you think we have quite a few contenders here for the audition?
They certainly look very talented, don't they?
That's right.
Never judge a bird by its beak. Only way to tell is to dance it out. We are looking for a singer, a dancer, a whole package. Well, let's get moving. First, we need something that can make them wiggle, something that'll make them jiggle, and finally, something that really pops.
Oh, I know just the dance I can teach them.
All right, time to get our groove on.
Now to make this fantastic, we need everyone to participate in this next dance. Who would like to join us? Come on, don't be shy.
Now, we definitely need all your help to make sure you're up on your feet, get your imaginary rabbits in the air. Come on, everybody, follow that. Oh, that's our lucky. And here's how it goes. Up and down, up and down. Now,
Side to the side. Yeah.
up and up and down and down. Great go.
Shake these maracas. Come on. Side to side. You're doing great. And up and down and down. Another rainbow. Woo-hoo! Side to side. That's right. Up and down and down. Now that's the kind of energy you bring to an audition. Fantastic job. All right, good job.
Well, well, well. Is this a celebration we're having without me? I'll be pooping on this little party promptly. Step aside. I heard an audition is taking place.
Hi, Nigel. No, yes. Your invitation must have gotten lost in the mail. But now that you are here, show us what you got. Yeah, stop that yelling and get to flapping.
Time for a professional to show you how it's done. At first, I was afraid. I was petrified. I kept thinking that I could never live, that I could barely fly. And I spent, so many nights thinking, how he did me wrong, and I grew strong. And I learned how to get along. Go on now, dog. Walk out the door. So turn around now. It is I who have the thought. Once you were one who tried to help me with goodbye. Did you think I'd crumble? Oh no! Did you think I'd lay down and die?
Oh, no, no, no.
I will survive as long as I know how to hate. I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to live,
And here's that all he's allowed to give.
and I will survive.
We will survive.
I will survive.
I'll survive.
I'm a survivor. I gotta be right every time I gotta train in the game and eat in my fiber. You were staying alive when I was staying alive. Watch where you sit when I spit myself like I'm like boom. You never seen another two. Rocking and shocking and dropping and popping and locking two. Watch what I can do without no auto-tune.
Oh no, he didn't.
If you try to keep me down, I'll just come back strong. If you try to cut me short, I'll just come back long. If you leave me at ping pong, I'll just play ping pong. Give me my girl, I ain't ready to die. One thing I know, I will survive. Yes, thank you. My performance was so striking, so suave, and so delicious. Now, why did I not get an invitation to your little soiree? An oversight, I presume. What's the matter? Swallow a feather?
Oh, Nigel! No one was trying to leave you off. Look, everybody here loves you. You're a star.
Let's hear it for Nigel!
Wow, what was that awful singing? It sounded like a cockatoo being squashed by an elephant.
No, honey. You meant to say we found just the talent we were looking for, right?
Oh, yes, Blue. Just the star we were looking for.
Exactly. In fact, we were just about to show Nigel the dance we learned earlier. Is everybody ready?
Oh, Joe Maracas. How do I fit into this little routine?
We hear you're quite a miraculous player. Maybe you could help us out?
To help or not to help? That's the question. I do have the best rhythm in the jungle. Really, you couldn't do it without me.
My thoughts exactly. Ready, Nigel?
Born ready. Lights. Camera. Action.
It's the emerald we treasure, coming from the jungle to you. Bam!
Beating like its heartbeat, playing rhythms we grow to.
It's the emerald we treasure, coming from the place where we live.
Nice hat.
I know, right? They wanna know what you like. Watching the pool. They wanna know what you like. Come show. They wanna know what you like. Boom, boom. They wanna know what you like. They wanna
That's it. You know what? I think all of you are more than qualified to dance at the festival. Sensational. Now, let's celebrate.
Summer Festival, here we go.
This is awesome! You're my one and only jewel. Congratulations on making the cut! You rock!
Please give yourselves a big round of applause.
This is going to be the best summer festival ever.
Yeah.
We should really take their call, email, Twitter, put the face. But first, we want to meet all of you.
and malicious. Who wouldn't want to take a picture with me?
Alright, friends, don't go anywhere.
Alright, thank you so much for watching us here at the Sounds of Rio. And in preparation for a photo opportunity, why don't we organize here to the side of the stage